stealing Chloe's intro, but hello YouTube. I am vlogging today because I'm going to see Five Sauce and I'm meeting my group chat there, and Katie is going to the concert. So yeah. The last time I vlogged it was like 11 noon, I don't know, but now it's 3:13 and Katie isn't gonna be here for another hour, so I'm just like waiting. And yeah, I'll get back to you when something interesting happens because nothing is happening right now except for the fact that it's raining. Like, well, I made a video of like my group chat like counting down, and I don't want to post it here, so I'm gonna put it on unlisted and then put it in the description of this video, so you can watch that if you'd like. If you want to see us counting down to the concert to today, then you can there's a really annoying like sun glare, but Katie's here now, and we're just waiting for my parents to come out to take us to the concert. Yeah, you're not good. Oh my god. Okay, I'm done choking. I forgot I was vlogging, but we're here now, and Hey Violet just performed, and I think I sprained my ankle because I fell down a hill. So life is great. One OK Rock finished like 20 minutes ago, so now we're just waiting for Five Sauce.
Oh, you're gonna say chicken wings. The other thing that gets us through it is chicken wings. Chicken wings and love.